Take a rectangular sheet of paper, preferably A4 size. Lay it flat on a table with the longer side facing you. Fold the paper in half lengthwise to make a crease in the middle, then unfold it. Take the top two corners and fold them inward so they meet at the center crease, forming a triangle at the top. Fold the new triangle down so the tip touches the bottom edge of the paper. Now, take the top corners again and fold them inward to the center crease, just like before. You should see a point forming at the top again. Fold the bottom tip of the triangle upwards, securing the folds you just made. Now fold the entire paper in half along the original center crease, with the folded parts on the inside. To create the wings, fold down one side so the edge lines up with the bottom of the plane. Flip it over and do the same on the other side to make it symmetrical. Make sure the wings are even and straight. You can adjust the back of the wings slightly upwards to help it glide better. Hold the plane from the bottom and give it a gentle throw. Your paper jet plane is ready to fly.